Good morning everybody, Sunday morning, 2 degrees, here we go again. Bit fresh, anyway, we'll be right, we'll suck it up. Gonna head up to Wayne's today, he's finished his DR 650 and he's ready to have another ride, so we're gonna go up, meet up with Wayne, then we're gonna shoot up to Bushy Park with Steve as well, he's coming along on his Scrambler 1200, and we're gonna grab some breakfast and we'll have to plan from there as to where we're gonna go. The project's finished. Mighty DR, she's alive. Righto, we're up at Wayne's, we're about to go for a ride. He's got the Mighty DR together, he's healed up himself. This is his project he bought. Tidied it all up, stripped it down a bit and had a look at her and freshened up a few bits and pieces. It's looking really good. Righto, we're away, his first test ride since we've put her all together. Just going to take it easy for a few rides and get fit again. Plus I don't want to send myself into the trees because I've got to go away in about 4 weeks time to Cairns. That's if the corona doesn't get me. Righto, time to get dirty. Soft there in the shed. Second gear. Gone. Here we are out in the wilderness. Josh and Nat, quote. Yeah, well, a bit of a debrief. Nothing wrong with the way that's going.
Missed that other 40 horsepower.
You're going alright, I couldn't catch you there.
Yeah.
What do you think? All good?
Yeah, no, it's different. It's completely different.
It is, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it's, well, you're back to a trail bike sort of thing, aren't you? Now I'll take the glasses off. We got the fog. I didn't know I've changed glasses. These are better, but they're still fogging up.
Yeah, I think it's just the weather.
It's just, yeah, it's only, what is it, bloody 0? 2 degrees, yeah, that's why. Yeah. Breakfast, yeah, bloody oath, let's go and do it. Last time he came down here, you might have seen in the video, it was bloody, as white as Casper. Alright, let's have some breakfast, get some fuel. That's good, that, look at the bacon on that. That is a serious egg and bacon roll. Good on you, Galen. McCain, you've done it again. Oh, that's wet. Been a bit of rain up here. Fuck, there's ice up here, look at it, and the puddles are still frozen. She was cold up here last night. These bloody glasses are starting to fog again. I've got different glasses, they're not as bad as the other ones, but these are fogging. That's how cold it is.
But actually grown up since I was up here, though.
Yeah.
Those trees are grown too, mate.
Don't take long with the pines, does it? Rightio, we'll head back out. That's a dead end, which is typical spur road, but
Wayne was saying these were really short, these trees here, not that long ago, so the old pine trees don't take long to grow back. One thing that annoys me, people dumping their shit up here in the bush. Oh, it doesn't cost anything in Tasmania to go to the bloody tip. Like a trailer loads are like $18, it's nothing. But no, they're going to bring this shit up here. It probably costs them $20 in fuel to get here, the dickheads. What a beautiful day. It's just reached 10.4 degrees, so we're in double figures. I think it's going to get to 12 today. So another scorcher. Here we are in the wilderness. Hey Nat, hey Josh. Fucking mint, that's what he says. Righto, we've swapped bikes just to compare notes. Straight away I noticed the bars on Wayne's are much better. They've got a much bigger rise. I'll let him go past and we'll compare notes. First time I've seen my bike from behind. The only time I've seen it behind before is when I've been sitting in the trees when I fell off it. There we go, there's a give you a quick panorama of where we just come from. That road down there, you can see that's where we came from. Just come back down the valley, across the bridge, and we just come up through here. What a beautiful day. See the regeneration of the forest down below. That'll buff out. So anyway, thanks for joining today. I hope you enjoyed the little ride. Until next time, ride safe. See you soon.